In this video, we will learn why it is important to use parentheses in Excel formulas. Understanding the role of parentheses is essential because Excel performs calculations based on a specific order of operations. If parentheses are not used correctly, the outcome of a formula can be completely different from what was intended. For example, imagine a formula that calculates the value of cell OC7 added to cell C7, then adds OD7, and finally multiplies the result by the value in cell OE7. If written without parentheses, Excel will first add OC7, C7 and OD7 together, then multiply the total by OE7. However, if we use parentheses to group OC7 and OD7 together, for instance by writing OC7 plus OD7, and then multiply that result by OE7, the result will be different. This demonstrates that using parentheses in the right place can significantly change the result of a formula. Excel always respects the priority set by the parentheses first before performing other operations like multiplication or addition. This is why it is essential to be precise and deliberate when placing parentheses in a formula. To summarize, always pay attention to the use of parentheses in Excel formulas. This will ensure your calculations are accurate and your results are as expected. Mastering this simple but important detail can greatly improve the reliability of your work in Excel.